In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Buildium. So first, let's know what Buildium is. So Buildium is a comprehensive property management software designed to help landlords, property managers, and real estate professionals streamline their operations. So it simplifies tasks like tenant management, rent collection, maintenance tracking, and accounting, making it an essential tool for managing residential and commercial properties. So now in this tutorial, I will guide you through the basics of using Buildium. So first, let's head on and log in or sign up for our account. So simply click here on free trial if you don't have an account yet. But if you already have an account, simply click here on sign in. Now we will be redirected to this page. So for me, I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. And now, as you can see, we are now redirected to Buildium's dashboard. So this is how the dashboard of Buildium will look like. So you will see a bunch of different options right here in the left-hand side, such as the dashboard, rentals, leasing, accounting, and so on. So from here in our main dashboard, you will see the insights or your performance in the last 30 days. So as you can see right here, you'll see your outstanding balances, your tasks, renters insurance, overdue tasks, expiring leases, expiring renters insurance. So all of that insights and charts or in performance of your work, you will see it in your main dashboard. So again, what's good about this dashboard is you can customize it by clicking right here on customize dashboard in the top right. So you can see you can drag and drop right here. You can change the order of all of these charts. You can also add or remove cards. So as you see right here, you can add outstanding bills or undeposited funds. Let's click on done. And now, as you can see, I have added it right here. Now let's just click on Save Changes. Now next, let's move on right here, Rentals. So as you can see, when you click Rentals, you'll see Properties, Rent Roll, Tenants, Rental Owners, and Outstanding Balances. So let's click on Properties. So from here, you'll see all of your current properties. So in my case, this is just a test account. So this is just test properties or sample properties. Let's move on to rent roll. You'll see the rent rolls right here. You'll see the lease. You'll see the status of rent, the type, days left, and the amount of rent. We can also go to tenant. So from here, we will see the tenants of our units or our properties. We can also see their phone numbers right here and their email. Now let's go to rental owners. Again, we will see the names of the rental owners right here with the current address, their phone numbers, and their emails. Also, the date where the agreement will end. You can also see our outstanding lease balances just right here. Now let's move on to leasing. It's just the same right here in rentals. So in leasing, we can see listings. Of course, this is our listings. The listing rent, the size, beds and baths, your unit number, and the date. Next is applicants. So you will see all of the applicants who applied for your lease. You can also see draft leases, lease renewals, and e-signature settings. So from here, you can create your own template for your e-signature. So you can just add your documents, select the signers, and set up your template. Now let's move on to accounting. So from here, you'll see all the financials, general ledger, banking, bills, recurring transactions, EFT approvals, budgets, charts of accounts, company financials, and 1099 tax filings. Also, we can see maintenance right here, so we can see our vendors. You can see this the vendors of the property maintenance, and also see work orders. So as you can see right here, there's a leaky faucet at 160 East End Avenue. So this is the status, assigned to, and the vendor. Also the amount. So this will keep track of all of your financial statements. Also, you can see property inspections. It's right here. So this is a feature for of Buildium. Next is tasks. So you can see all of your tasks right here. Your task, all tasks, and recurring tasks. Also communication. So we can select public site. So you'll see a setting right here. This would be the setting of your Buildium account. You can also add your street address, city, state, your phone number, fax number, your email, and also this stuff right here. And also edit emails. You'll see announcements. So you can create your own announcements to like send to your tenants or your applicants. And you will see files right here for the documents of your leases or your rentals. As you can see there, these are lease documents. Now let's go to reports. So from here, you can see individual reports right here. So let's say accounts receivable summary. You'll see it right here. Balance sheet, cash flow statement. Now let's head over to the analytics hub. So this is just like a articles. So you need to upgrade to unlock your data and insights. So I'm just using the free version, so I won't be able to see this. They also have add-on services. As you can see, there is ePay, maintenance contact center, retail cash payments, and so on. So there are a bunch of add-on services for Buildium. And the shortcuts. So you can simply edit the shortcuts right here. And now let's go to our settings. Now we can go to application settings and edit all of our app settings right here. You can also go to our users. As you can see, you can go to our profile. And as you can see, this is all of your profile information. And you can also always reset this or change this information. So that's basically all of the features of Buildium. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.